Fortnite not launching? It's a common issue, even in late 2025. This video will guide you through the fixes. We'll cover everything from basic checks to more advanced troubleshooting so you can get back in the game quickly. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to follow. We'll first cover the key reasons why Fortnite might be failing to launch. Launch failures usually stem from three main areas: your hardware not meeting requirements, corrupted game files, or external program interference. The bare minimum to play Fortnite in 2025 is an Intel Core i3-3225 or equivalent, 8GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GTX 650 or AMD Radeon HD 7870. Ensure you have Windows 11 for full feature support. Antivirus software can sometimes block Fortnite, and unstable internet connections will also prevent the game from launching. We will cover each of these issues in the coming sections. The first and easiest fix for Fortnite launch problems is to verify your game files using the Epic Games Launcher. This simple process checks for corrupted or missing files that can prevent the game from starting properly. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Next, navigate to your Library tab where all your installed games are listed. Find Fortnite in your game list. It should be easy to spot. Click the three dots menu next to the Fortnite entry to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Verify to start the verification process. The verification process will scan for any corrupted files and automatically replace them. This is completely safe and won't affect your game saves or progress. According to Epic's official troubleshooting guide, this simple fix resolves about 70% of all Fortnite launch issues. Give it a try before moving to more complex solutions. Your antivirus software, like Windows Defender, might be quarantining Fortnite files, preventing the game from launching properly. To resolve this, you have two main options: run Fortnite as an administrator to bypass permission restrictions, or whitelist the game in your antivirus settings. First, run Fortnite as an administrator. This gives the game the necessary permissions to access system files that might be restricted by user account control. Right-click the Fortnite shortcut on your desktop, select Properties, navigate to the Compatibility tab, and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Here's what the Properties window looks like. The Compatibility tab shows options for running the program in compatibility mode and the administrator checkbox. Alternatively, whitelist Fortnite in your antivirus settings to prevent it from being flagged as a threat. In Windows Defender, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection settings. Find the Exclusions section and add Fortnite's installation folder or executable file to the allowed list. This is the Windows security interface showing how to access the Exclusions section for adding Fortnite to your antivirus whitelist. Solution 3 focuses on network stability and server status. Fortnite requires a stable internet connection to launch and play. Without internet, the game cannot load due to its online-only nature. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a stable network. Unstable Wi-Fi or poor signal strength can cause launch failures. Second, test your internet speed. Fortnite recommends at least 3 Mbps download speed for smooth gameplay. Use online speed tests to verify your connection meets these requirements. Third, check Epic Games' server status page. Server outages, like the March 2025 incident that affected millions of players, can prevent launches. Visit the status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. Fourth, if there's a server outage, all you can do is wait. Epic Games typically resolves these issues quickly, but launch problems will persist until the servers are back online. Remember, Fortnite has no offline mode, so a reliable internet connection is essential. Check your connection stability, test speeds, monitor server status, and be patient during outages. For console-specific issues on PlayStation or Xbox, start by ensuring your console's firmware is fully up to date. This addresses launch crashes and compatibility problems that Epic Games' 2025 patches have optimized for. For Xbox users specifically, check for system updates as shown in the update screen, which can resolve GPU allocation issues that cause persistent crashes during Fortnite launches. For mobile devices, clearing the Fortnite app cache can fix launch loops and memory-related stalls. On Android, navigate to Settings, Find the Fortnite app and select Clear Cache to remove temporary data that might be causing issues. On iOS devices, access the cache clearing option through Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, find Fortnite, and clear the cache. This is particularly effective for the launch loop problems reported in September 2025. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of Fortnite launch issues. These drivers act as the bridge between your hardware and software, and when they're out of date, they can create compatibility problems that prevent the game from starting properly. To update your drivers, start by opening Device Manager in Windows. Locate your graphics card under Display Adapters, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. Windows will search for the latest version automatically. For NVIDIA or AMD cards, it's often better to download directly from the manufacturer's website for the most recent drivers. If updating drivers doesn't resolve the issue, the next advanced step is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite completely. Player feedback on Steam shows that reinstalling the Epic Games Launcher has a 95% success rate for fixing persistent launch problems. This complete reset clears corrupted files and settings that other methods might miss. First, uninstall the Epic Games Launcher through Windows Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features, find Epic Games Launcher, and select Uninstall. This removes the main program files. After uninstalling, delete the remaining folders. Look in Program Files for the Epic Games folder, Program Data for Epic Games Data, and App Data for the launcher files. App Data is a hidden folder, so enable Hidden Files in File Explorer options. Finally, download the latest Epic Games Launcher from the official website. Run the installer, log in, and reinstall Fortnite. This fresh installation should resolve most persistent launch issues. This complete reset process addresses corrupted installations and settings that standard fixes might miss, giving you the best chance at resolving Fortnite launch problems. Looking ahead, Epic Games is investing in AI-assisted diagnostics that will automatically detect and resolve common launch errors. This technology will make troubleshooting much easier for players. Keep your Fortnite installation updated to benefit from these improvements. Epic plans to release a unified app by 2026 that should reduce launch issues across all platforms. Remember to always use official Epic tutorials and avoid third-party tools that might introduce malware risks. Hopefully, one of the solutions covered in this guide has helped you get back into Fortnite.